It's a beautiful day here in Tennessee, and we are getting ready for that football game tonight. I've already been making some finger foods today, and let me show you what I've made.
So I'm making some cinnamon cream cheese roll-ups, and we're going to start out by using the bread of your choice. I'm using this Fit and Active, 35 calories. This is really easy to do with a pizza cutter. You'll just roll it and take the crust off the edges and put that aside. Now, I do save the edges because I make homemade breadcrumbs, and I keep saying I'm going to do a video on that, but I have to get enough bread to do so. But now we're going to use our rolling pin and just roll that bread as flat as you can get it. You'll need some cream cheese, and we're going to use 4 ounces. You want to leave that out and let it get soft. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Go ahead and mix that up. And now in another bowl, you're going to combine a 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Now I will say I did have to mix up another batch of this while I was doing it, so you would need 1 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Now you'll need to melt 1 stick of butter. I'm using unsalted butter, and I didn't get a picture of that, but put it in a bowl as well and set that aside. Go ahead and oil down your baking sheet, and we're going to take that cream cheese mixture and just start putting it on top of the bread. Now I did melt that cream cheese mixture in the microwave for about 30 seconds just so that it would be easy to spread. Go ahead and roll that up. Grab a pair of tongs, and we are going to dip this in the butter first. Gently and quickly roll that around in the butter. And next we are going to dip this in the sugar and cinnamon mix and just transfer this to your baking sheet. And I'll show you again how I did this. So just spread it on there about maybe a teaspoon, spread it out real good. And I like to put a little bit of the mixture on one side of it, the side that I'm going to start rolling it on, and just roll it together. And that's how easy that is to do. Now we're just going to put this in the oven that is preheated for 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, voila!
Yum, those are so yummy. Now what I'm making now is some grilled pimento and cheese. I'm gonna give my son-in-law credit for this one. We went to their house one time for a party recently, and he served grilled pimento and cheese with chili. It was so good. Husband's gonna make some wings, yum, and I might make some other things, and when I do, I'll get those posted as well. So I hope all of you have a great weekend. Go Titans. Go Titans. I can't say it.
Titans.
Go Titans. My husband is dying out laughing at me, and my grandson's making fun of me because evidently I can't say Titans. Oh, I said it.